Ready for home. Ready for home.
Hi, I'm Zach from Liberty Way Realty, and today I want to talk to you about financing your house, and specifically a VA mortgage. Now, a VA mortgage is similar to a conventional mortgage, but with a few different rules involved. It's meant specifically for veterans or for the spouse of a deceased veteran. Now, before I go too far in here, I want to make clear, I am not a mortgage officer and I do not work with a bank. So if you have specific questions about rates, whether you can get pre-approved or anything along those lines, please feel free to reach out to a mortgage officer at your local bank. I do have some mortgage officers that work with VA loans I can refer you to. Great people. I'd love to be able to hear from you and refer those. My phone number is in the beginning and end of the video, and it's in the bottom in the top comments. Not in the comments, but you know what I'm talking about. So this VA mortgage for veterans, it's different from a conventional mortgage in that it requires a 0% down payment. You don't have to. You can, but you don't have to put down any money towards the payment of your house, towards the purchase of your house. Now, that being said, you do have closing costs involved that you will have to pay at the closing table, but your down payment can be 0. Okay? There's also no minimum credit score when it comes to a VA mortgage. Now, one thing you might find is that from bank to bank, they do have a minimum credit score to approve you for that product. But in theory, a VA mortgage does not have a minimum credit score. Another thing about VA mortgages is that there are limited closing costs. The VA limits what can be charged at the closing table to help to make a house more affordable for veterans. There's also no PMI. PMI is private mortgage insurance. On a conventional or FHA mortgage, any mortgage where you pay less than 20% down payment requires private mortgage insurance that could cost you a couple hundred a month in extra payments that you will never see. But a VA mortgage does not have this. The one thing that a VA mortgage does have, however, is a VA funding fee. VA is a self-funded program, and so the VA funding fee is a fee lumped into the mortgage itself that funds essentially the next VA loan. So it will increase your mortgage overall, but it helps to lower the payments. That helps to lower the initial out-of-pocket cost. I'm going to list in the description section 2 websites for you. I'll mention them here briefly. Benefits.va.gov/home loans. You can get more information about VA loans there. Or va.gov/housing assistance/home loan/eligibility. And if you go to that website, you'll be able to determine whether you are eligible for a VA loan. So one additional thing about a VA loan is that it does require an inspection. So when you have a offer accepted, after you do your personal inspection, an appraiser is going to come out and do an additional inspection. Their goal is to make sure that a house is turnkey ready. Move in, no repairs need to be done, it's safe, it's livable, no huge out-of-pocket expenses. So they're going to look at things like peeling paint, trip hazards, hand railings, all kinds of other things. Does the roof leak? And it has to pass this inspection for you to be allowed to close on this house. For that reason, sometimes VA loans can be put in the bottom of the pile in a competitive market. But that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It just means it can be a little more difficult of a process. So a quick overview, VA mortgage is eligible to veterans and spouses of a deceased veteran, requires no down payment, has no minimum credit score, has limited closing costs, no private mortgage insurance, but does have an inspection. If you have any further questions about VA mortgages, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number again is at the beginning and end of this video and in the description. I would love to work with you. I'd love to help you find a new home. I've worked with plenty of VA buyers in the past. Feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day and good luck in your search for a new home.